Secure order. Supercharge your business ever further with this videos courses. Build the most important skill needed for any business. The only thing that a company truly owns in the digital space is their email list. It is their only true digital asset. But how do you get set up to start building a list? This is a common question among people that just get started as internet marketers or entrepreneurs. You will get all the answers in this step-by-step guide. Whether you are deciding on how you're going to do SEO to get more traffic or how you're going to use coupons and discounts, these core principles will give you the tools you need to know exactly what to do and why you're doing it. Once you understand the fundamentals of marketing strategy, you can apply them to any and everything you do in business. Introducing Lead Generation Live Workshop. Downloadable/digital version. In these 4 videos courses you will learn about developing a unique selling proposition, implementing business growth engines, building vertical and horizontal profit funnels, building your list, tracking your progress, doing joint ventures, using traditional media, doing charitable marketing, developing a public relations plan, using direct response and direct marketing principles, using internet-based methods, how to automate your processes. Each video is about 40-minute plus long. You are probably asking yourself, why? Simple, I want you to learn everything so you can become a master on this and scale your business to the top. So please pay close attention and take notes if you need to, but most importantly, follow the step-by-step process. All the best, and I wish you a great success. Ivan Dominguez, founder of DigitalBiz101.com. P.S. This is a special offer not made anywhere else. Get these impactful training course right now, and in just few seconds you'll have instant access. Note, these are downloadable/digital version. Make sure to save all files to your device for faster access. Please note that our refund policy is 60-day. Get access today for only $97. Buy now. Terms of